I just got back from the thrift store and I spent $20. Let me show you what I found. So the first find was this basket. Do I need another basket? No, but I love thrifting baskets because the price points are fabulous and the shapes are really, really cool. So I spent $3 on this basket, and it does need some work, and that's actually why I bought it. I bought it for a project, so stay tuned to see what I do with it. And I just want to let you know, the way that I clean baskets is I spray them with the disinfectant. I really wipe them down really, really well. And then I normally let them dry in the sun. The sun kind of helps clean them just a little bit. And then I do whatever I want with them. So stay tuned to see what I do with this one. Let me show you what else I found. So there is a specifically vintage or antique section in my thrift store, and I love just browsing that section. And today I found these adorable mugs there. This is a father and mother mug set, and this was only 50 cents. And so I actually bought the mug set because I want to use the mother mug, and I want to put some beautiful flowers in there for my mom for Mother's Day. And the mug itself is a gift in itself. It's got a beautiful saying on it. It's got a beautiful picture on it. And I wanted to point this out because I think that this is a really great way, a really good gift option. It's an inexpensive way to do something that's really intentional and meaningful. You could put flowers in there like I'm gonna do, or for a teacher, you could put all kinds of fun teacher goodies in there. But for 25 cents, you've got the cutest little mug and a really sweet story behind it. So I collect floral frogs. I love them so much, and I'm always on the hunt for ones that I have never seen before. And so I was just browsing the bathroom section, and I found this adorable butter yellow toothbrush holder. And I loved how shallow it was, and I immediately looked at it and I thought it'd make the perfect floral frog. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some putty down and place it in a beautiful shallow dish, and then I can use it to put flowers in or whatever. And I spent 50 cents on this. So most floral frogs go anywhere from $5 at a thrift store to $30, or even I've seen some really specialty ones that go up to like $150 or $200. Now this isn't a floral frog, but this is a really great option, and I'm excited to add it to my collection because I think it's just really cool. A lot of thrift stores have crafting sections, and I love taking my time and just looking through them because you might be able to find some things that are really great at great price points. I'm thinking ribbons, I'm thinking buttons, I'm thinking paper. And today I found this adorable paint by number set. It was only $1, and I bought this for my studio. So I have a big old basket here in my studio where I've got a whole bunch of crafting kits and crafting supplies that are kid appropriate. And so when my kids come over here while I'm working, they know to go to the basket and they can just start having fun with one of these crafting kits. And so at $1, I think this was just a fabulous purchase. My next find doesn't seem like a whole lot, but I only spent 25 cents on this. It's just a handheld mirror, and it's actually for an upcoming project, so stay tuned for that. I love sourcing thrift stores for some of my projects when I work with clients. Speaking of projects, I found another really good find today. I've got a fun project with a brand coming up, and so I found these shoes for $1. Normally, I stay away from shoes because they're really hard to clean, but shoes like this are very easy to clean. So I'm just gonna scrub these down, and these are from Walmart, so the quality, isn't amazing, but for $1, I think they're great. And what I'm gonna do with them, it's gonna be really fun, so stay tuned. Historically, when I go thrifting, I tend to go for the home decor section because that's really where I'm comfortable at. And so I don't really stretch into the fabric section or the clothes section. And so I'm trying really hard to go there and to kind of see if I can find some things. So I'm starting to look at labels, looking at higher end labels, and then looking at color stories because color is very, very important to me. I did not find anything for myself, but I did find something for my daughter today. And this is a Hannah Anderson dress, which is a great quality brand. It's got beautiful butterflies on it, and I only paid $2 for it. So I looked to make sure there were no stains. I'm gonna give it a good wash, and it'll be great for summertime. And then along that same breath these are some adorable shorts that I got her. They're from Athletic Girl, and I spent 50 cents on these. So these are a great quality short. And after I wash them, she'll be able to wear them and enjoy them this summer. Okay, now for my favorite find of the day. So I was standing in line and the lady that was maybe about 5 people ahead of me, she was digging through her finds and she held up this bag and she decided to put it back. My eyes got really big. I asked the person behind me to hold my place in line and I ran over there and I grabbed them, and it's these vintage Shiny Brites. Look how incredible they are. The colors are amazing. They're obviously vintage because they're worn, but I think they're so pretty, and I'm gonna put them on my vintage wreaths. I can also place them in one of my ironstone pots for Christmas. You just set them in there. They're beautiful. They've got their own patina, their own beautiful color story, and I'm really inspired by them. And so I spent $8 on this entire bag, which seems kind of steep, but I've looked online on Etsy and you can purchase a single vintage Shiny Brite for anywhere from like $5 and up, which is crazy. Now, most of these are just simple. There's one in here that does have stripes on it, and I honestly love the patina on them. They're so beautiful. So this is my favorite find of the day, and I'm really, really excited about it. So thank you so much for following along today. I'd love to know what you think. If you thought I did good today, what was your favorite find? Please let me know in the comments below. If you want to see more thrifting adventures, I have so many here on my channel. I love to go thrifting, and ultimately my main goal is to inspire you to go thrifting. And you never know who you're going to meet out while you're thrifting. I always learn something. People are so friendly, and it's such a fun experience all around. So until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you guys.